Dehi no asmin dehi, this individual body, the indweller in this body, you, the mind and intellect. You, the individuality who is temporarily at this moment present in your body. The body is the hutman in which you are living. You are tenants, temporary tenants in that body. And in the body, who lives? In this body, I live. And I cannot live in your body. If anybody wants to meet me, they have to come to this body and knock me. Hey, Swami. And then the Swami will answer. If you go and knock anybody and say, Swami, Swami, he will say, what? What is Swami? Shut up. There is no Swami here. Isn't it? Swami is not living in you. Swami is living here. Thus, each individual lives in his own body as a tenant. And the landlord is a very strict fellow. Rent is not paid every week. No. He doesn't believe that you will... he has no belief in you, that you may not pay at the end of the week. Then, every day, 3 times you pay. You know that car park, you go and feed every half an hour you get to go and feed. Similarly, every 2.5 hours you have to pay your rent if you want to remain in this body. No, I can't go on paying it. All right, die. Why? You will be ejected out of the tenement. You have to pay your rent 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch and dinner. Not only that, the landlord will not look after the maintenance of this house. You have to look after it. Think of this situation. You have to look after its maintenance outside and inside, and you pay the rent regularly. It's automatic. It will demand. You forgot it. You will not forget it because by lunchtime you will remember it. I mean, it's automatic. Reminders are given. You pay for it. Right? And when the time comes, you are ejected out. So then here, just as in this very same body, you remain the same, even though the status or your condition change from childhood to youth and to old age. In the same way, tatha, dehandara prapti. There is perfect continuity. There is never a moment when you don't exist at all. You leave this body and this environment, and you reach another body conducive for your rest of your experiences.